伫寮国的龙坡邦，这个所在是联合国教科文组织世界遗产。英国是寮国的首都，是请真侪游客来这行踏，欣赏当地历史文化。不过，寮国政府按算伫当地起水坝，水坝若是起好，这阵游龙坡邦这个方式可能就会消失，而且烟花20个村的村民，嘛有可能国不将都要搬走。
真侪游客咧翕相，有人爬起咧研究，要将后边古城斗阵翕入去。寮国龙坡邦是联合国教科文组织世界遗产，吸引真侪人来欣赏历史文化。不过未来这旅游胜地恐惊会互一个水坝来破坏。 岸边几台卡车出出入入，龙坡邦水坝已经开始咧起，加上其他伫湄公河流域顶悬的水坝，恐惊会危害这条长河的生态系统，也改变当地人的生活方式。
The 20-something communities living along the stretch of river to be flooded by the Long Prabang Dam will no longer be practicing their livelihoods, will no longer be sending their produce to the town in the same way, and will see a river that's largely engineered and become a river serving industrial purposes.
寮国政府开数十亿美金起水坝，希望解决水尾成过台的问题，可提供水力发电。只是当地人除了烦恼水坝，互龙坡邦失去世界遗产的地位，烟花20个村头的人，佫会被迫搬走。
It's very high river, and after the dam, people change at the village, own village, have to go to the high in the mountain because river very high.
UNESCO 会在今年7月，印度新德里会议顶悬讨论这议题。龙坡邦过去是寮国首都，已经有上千年历史，有真侪佛教庙寺，游客用这阵欣赏豪华美景。不过未来水坝若起好，这种旅游体验可能会消失。
That dam will ruin that experience for locals and tourists alike because you'll no longer be able to travel there without getting off first at the dam and then probably busing in to the old town. So instead of being greeted by, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, you'll be greeted by a dam, a big ugly concrete structure.
而且水坝有定地附近无到10公里，就是一个断层带。周边的甘朴街甲越南拢要求寮国投资更较侪时间甲资源，调查水坝暗藏的影响，考验寮国政府伫员工甲建设之间要安怎平衡。公司新闻电为真平衡。